Hello guys, so an update about everything that I have to take with me to Lübeck. So the last 2 weeks I've been writing the songs, and to be honest, I wanted to record the whole process of how I'm making the songs and everything, but somehow I was really inspired, and it was something that really impressed me because I was faster creating the songs than I thought that I was gonna be, and and I was really motivated and really inspired. And somehow when I have to turn on the camera and being, thinking about I have to start recording, stop recording, and all these kind of things, it takes you out of your creative process, of your creative flow. And somehow I just decided not to do it, so I didn't do it. Anyhow, I'm going to be showing you the songs. I want to show you how, well, the Ableton projects and everything, how I created it and how it was conceived in a way. But right now I want to give you an update about everything that I have to take with me and how I'm going to take it. I think I already described on a video the stuff that I'm taking with me. So I have here the guitar. I'm taking the Epiphone Sheraton 2 Pro. This is the guitar that I'm taking with me. I decided just to, I've had some trouble with this guitar because I really like how it looks, but I have trouble with how it sounds. And I just decided, screw it. I'm just gonna create all the songs with this guitar, and I have to find a way. So the last 2 weeks I haven't really shaved, and I haven't cut my hair. The little bits of hair that I have to cut. So yeah, that's why I look so messy, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm packing right now, and I have here the bag for the guitar. So in this bag, I'm going to be taking some cables and stuff like that. Sorry there for the shaky cam. The camera is a little bit heavy, and my arm, it's already tired because I already recorded the Spanish version of this video. So yeah, here I have the bag for the guitar. So I'm going to be having some cables in there. And then the other thing that was a major problem is that since I'm going right now in winter, I'm going to Lübeck, and Lübeck is a cold city and it's very windy. I have to take a lot of winter clothes, and they are heavier, they need more space, and there's no way on this earth that I can fit everything that I need to take to Lübeck in just one suitcase. Here's my suitcase on the floor. So what I decided to do is that I'm sending part of my clothes with DHL to Lübeck, and I have here some like clothes for maybe, I don't know, 2-3 days, in the hopes that all the clothes are gonna arrive soon enough. And then here what I have is that I'm just doing like I'm practicing how I want to pack everything, so that I know which things I can send to Lübeck with the box or in the box. And yeah, so in here I have the APC 40 from Akai. I don't know if you can see it somewhere in there. It's packed there. Here I have the Minilab Mark II. I have to take them out again. Was just practicing to see if I can fit everything in the suitcase. And then here's some of my clothes. And then this was a very tricky thing, the microphone stand. So I have the microphone stand here, and here it's my pedal board, which is basically the whole suitcase. I thought about taking the pedal board out and carrying it myself, but then I would have to have the guitar on my back, my backpack, this one over here, just a second, this one, wait for the light, there you go. This backpack over here, which has my computer, the camera, the lenses, the microphones for the camera, probably also the microphone that I'm taking for the small concert that I'm going to be doing there. Basically all the things that I really want to be careful with are in the backpack, so that's in front. And then I have to carry the suitcase. The way I'm going to be traveling to Lübeck is I go from Karlsruhe, that's the city where I live, to Hamburg, and then from Hamburg all the way to Lübeck. And then in Hamburg I have to change trains, so that's always a little bit tricky, because if we have a little bit of, if the train is late from Karlsruhe to Hamburg, then I might miss the next train, and then you have to run a little bit. I hope we don't have any delays, and that way I can, do the train switching calmly and use the elevators to move around the train station. I don't know how much of the way I'm going to be able to show you, because carrying all this stuff and a camera, it's very, very hard. But hey, I'm gonna try it. I'll see what I can do. Also this week I decided to buy some strap locks for the guitar, so I already changed this one and this one over there, exactly. And I also, well, of course, regular strap locks. There you go. So yeah, the reason being that there is a couple of songs where I have to play something on the keyboard, and then I have to let go of the guitar. And I already had a guitar that the strap just bailed on me, and the guitar fell down and it broke. Not like the guitar was still useful, but the finish of the guitar broke, and it was not nice. And of course, I don't want that to this guitar to happen. So I decided, no, I'm gonna go for the strap locks, and then I can play without having that feeling that it's gonna fall out and fall down and it's gonna break or something like that. And yeah, I will be showing you the songs. I'm really excited about this. I'm really nervous. Every time I play live, I get extremely nervous. Usually what I do to get on with the nerves is that I usually drink 2 shots of tequila before every time that I play live. And that's my limit. I don't take more than 2. And I take them usually, I have like this ritual when I take one about half an hour before the playing, and then 15 minutes before I play, and then that's it. And I usually have something to drink with me. Would it be a beer or some water, whatever. Yeah, just to keep on with the nerves. So I've been practicing a lot. I know many of you are probably gonna think that's really not healthy, bro. You should not do that. But it's just the way it works for me. No more than 2 shots, never more than 2 shots. That's my limit, if I want to call it that way, because I know that more than that I would probably be a little bit too tipsy to play properly, so I don't like to do that. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I don't know, many people don't really talk about this kind of things, even though we all know that a lot of artists, they drink alcohol or do something else. Some other people do some other drugs, but in my case, it's just to just put the nerves away for a little bit. Yeah, something that I have to deal with, but I really have to improve on that. I have to admit that. Okay, I don't know why I went on this rant, but yeah, then here I have the interface I'm going to be taking. That's the Arturia Mini Fuse 2. I think I already made a video about this. This camera is staying here. It's not going with me. And I'm really excited to see how everything's going to work out. And I'll try to update you on how everything goes. Okay guys, so that was it for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.